In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Xero with a bank account in this comprehensive guide for 2025. This process is crucial for ensuring your financial data stays accurate and up to date, making your bookkeeping tasks easier and more efficient. So let's dive in. First things first, let's navigate to the Xero dashboard. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Xero website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub showing an overview of your financial health, recent activities, and various shortcuts that can take you straight to essential tasks. Now, once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Securely Connect a Bank Account. This feature is designed to streamline the process of linking your bank account to Xero, ensuring the connection is both safe and seamless. Don't worry if you're not familiar with the process. Xero has made it quite user-friendly, so it should be straightforward and intuitive. After clicking on the option, the next step is finding the bank you wish to connect. Xero supports a wide array of financial institutions, so no matter the size or location of your bank, chances are it's on the list. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate your bank easily. Once you've found it, click to proceed. Now connect your bank account. You'll need to authenticate your connection, and this step may involve logging into your bank directly through Xero's interface. This ensures that the connection is secure and allows Xero to access the necessary transaction data. Remember, it's crucial to have your online banking passwords handy for this step, as you'll be prompted to enter them. For added security, once you provide your credentials, you might be asked to complete additional verification steps. This could be a two-step authentication or security questions to prove your identity. These steps are in place to protect your data from unauthorized access, so make sure you follow them carefully. After you've completed the authentication and verification process, your bank account will be linked to your Xero account. Now Xero can automatically import your bank statements, allowing you to reconcile and keep track of your finances efficiently. This functionality will save you time and reduce errors, enabling you to focus on more strategic financial decisions for your business. And just like that, you've successfully linked your bank account to Xero. Remember, regular reviews of your linked accounts and connections can help maintain the security and accuracy of your financial data. I hope this guide has been helpful and that your financial management with Xero becomes more effortless than ever before. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.